Bottle gourd and split chickpeas, a delicious vegetarian recipe. My name is Mair, you're watching Mairbornhungry YouTube channel, guys. This is the perfect vegetarian recipe. You must try this recipe. It's very easy to make and delicious to the taste. You can eat this recipe with the bread, rice or crackers or just with the fork. It's not a spicy dish. It's a delicious comfort food. I can tell you that. Take a look. This is 2 pounds of whole bottle gourd. And this is of course chana dal or split chickpeas. I have soaked 1 cup of chana dal right here in the water. It's been almost 30 minutes. This is our pan, stainless steel pan. It's on the stove. We will add at least right here for this whole recipe at least 10 tablespoons of olive oil in here. 1 medium-sized onion. Yes, you will take that. You will just roughly dice it. Just dice it the way you guys like it. It's not something you have to be perfect about it, but we need some kind of minced onion. If you get the minced onion from the market, why not use that? Add in our pan. Alright, we have onion in the pan. We will saute our onion, but it's not just the onion. We will add some more vegetables to it to give the flavor. Okay, just leave it on the high flame at this time. We will take at least 7 to 8 garlic cloves. Just rough dice it. 30 grams of fresh ginger. 30 grams of chopped ginger goes in here. Give it a mix. In the meantime, we will add half tablespoon of white cumin in here. So at this point, we will saute this for at least 10 minutes. We will not burn it, we will just saute, as I said. As you guys can see, our onion looks sauteed. So this is our soaked lentils. This is 1 cup of lentils and 2 cups of water right here. They go in here. These are raw, these are not canned. So we have soaked them just to get softened, and it's easy to cook now. We'll give it a mix. We'll take at least salt to taste. I'll add 1 tablespoon of salt just to be on the safe side. We'll take powdered black pepper, half tablespoon. Yes. So now we will add 2 more cups of water in here. Just like that. Give it a good mix, and we will cook our lentils now. Actually, we have water in here, right? So we will boil our lentils. We will cover it with the lid. The stove should be on the high flame, and we will cook it at least for 20 to 25 minutes until our lentils are like soft. In the meantime, this is our bottle gourd. Let's work on our bottle gourd. So yes, of course, you will peel this. So the bottle gourd has been peeled. The nice and perfect thing to do. Take out this part. You don't need that. And here, take out this part. We don't need that. This is our whole bottle gourd. Slice it from the middle, just like that. Wow, it's so fresh, man. Yes. So we will make 2 more slices now on top of it. Just like that. And here you go. Here you go. Once you do that, put it all together and just dice it. Comment down below and let me know if you guys really like vegetarian dishes or how many times you guys eat meat dishes. And here you go, our bottle gourd has been perfectly sliced into cube forms. This is what we need, this whole 2 pound of bottle gourd. For now, I'll just put this bottle gourd in here because we have 20 minutes for our lentils. You guys see the bubbles? Let me show you. Look at this. Let it cook for 20 minutes. Perfect dal kaddu recipe is right here. Bottle gourd and split chickpeas, guys. It's been 20 minutes. We have been boiling after frying onions, ginger, garlic, adding some dry ingredients. So this is how it looks. Yes, just give it a quick mix so it's not sticking at the bottom. The water has been dried up. Yes, perfect. Let's check on our lentils. So they are at least 80% done. So here is our bottle gourd, 2 pounds of bottle gourd. We peeled it, we chopped it as you guys saw. So here it goes, all in here. Yes. We'll put our stove on to medium at this time. We'll give it a mix. Right now we will add at least half cup of water in here. Just half cup, just like that. That's perfectly enough. We will take a jalapeno. If you guys want to skip jalapeno, it's all fine. Just cut it into ring forms, and yes, you will just land roughly our jalapeno right here. This is not a spicy one. It's just gonna bring a fresh flavor to our bottle gourd and lentils. Okay, our stove's on medium. Look at this, guys. Cover this and cook it for 10 minutes with the cover on a medium flame, and I'll show you what's next after 10 minutes with the lid on. The lid part has been done now. Check this water. The bottle gourd has a lot of water, right? So we are not putting the lid on top of this anymore. Yes, let's give it a stir. It's on the medium flame. Yes, medium flame, no lids on. Cook it for another 20 minutes. While we are cooking this, I just want to make a note for you guys, okay? While we are cooking this with the open lid, the last 15 minutes, you guys see the bottle gourd, once it's turned kind of a transparent, it's ready. And once it's like it has a solid color, it needs to cook. So this is just a note. I want to make it right now. We still have, I guess, 10 more minutes to go. Well, finally, our beautiful bottle gourd and split chickpea gravy is ready, guys. Look at this. What a wonderful dish is this. It's been at approximately about 40 minutes to make this whole recipe. It's perfectly vegetarian recipe. I'm surprised, you will be surprised. Put some mint leaves, chopped mint leaves on top of this, and here you go, guys. Perfect, delicious recipe. The stoves are off. It looks perfectly fine. Let's dish this out right here in a plate. Look at this, man. Wow. Yum. You can eat this with just a fork or the spoon. Thank you so much for watching this delicious recipe. Let me give you this. Okay, it's so hot. I mean, just by the touch. Oh, it's carrying a good flavor of cumin, onion, ginger, garlic. Very less ingredients, full of flavors. And yes, sir, your body will be happy when you eat this recipe. I'll see you on the next one. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and bye bye for now. Okay. Lentils are soft. This is the right. Look at how jello-ish. It's like a jello. Bottle gourd. It's hot. It's hot. I had some crackers, right? So